Every missed key press, every caller stuck in a loop, every dead end in your phone tree is a customer you just lost. Zendesk Talk has a built-in IVR system that can route every caller to exactly the right place automatically. Here is how to build yours from scratch. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. It routes callers to the right department without a single agent lifting a finger. But get it wrong and 75% of your callers will hang up frustrated before they ever reach your team. Before you build, check your plan. IVR is only available on Zendesk Suite Professional at $115 per agent per month, or Enterprise. If you are on Suite Team, you will need to upgrade. You will also need administrator access in Admin Center. Do not start configuring until you have mapped your call flows on paper. Keep your main menu to 5 options or fewer. Limit depth to 2 or 3 levels maximum, and always include a press 0 for an agent escape route on every menu level. Head to Admin Center, then Talk, then the Greetings tab. Click Add Greeting, name it clearly, and choose IVR as the type. Script it carefully by stating the option first, then the key press. For example, for sales inquiries, press 1. Now go to the IVR tab and click Add Menu. Give it a name you will recognize later, like Main Support IVR. Every IVR starts with a main menu level. Click on it, select the greeting you just created, and you are ready to add routes. Routes define what happens when a caller presses a key. You have 5 action types: voicemail, group, number, IVR menu, and text back. Always set a default route to catch callers who press nothing or press an invalid key. That default is your safety net. Your IVR menu exists, but it is not live yet. Go to the Lines tab, find your phone number, click Edit, then open the Routing tab. Toggle on Enable IVR and select the menu you just built. Hit Save and your IVR is live. Never assume it works. Call your number from an external phone and test every single key press. Press invalid keys too to confirm your default route catches them. Leave a test voicemail and verify it creates a ticket with the right tags in Zendesk. A functional IVR is not the same as a good one. Keep greetings under 30 seconds and track your abandonment rate in Zendesk Explore. Aim for 80% or higher menu completion, and never bury the option to speak with a human. Your IVR routes the call, but what happens after? Easel AI works alongside Zendesk Talk to auto-tag voicemail tickets by urgency, draft follow-up replies from your past tickets, and handle the admin work so your agents can focus on the conversation. Set up your IVR with this guide, then let Easel AI handle everything that comes after the call. No complex setup, no credit card required. Try Easel AI free today at easel.ai.